Just wanted to pass along a little information. I think it was about 12 years ago we put this fireplace in, and we use it to heat the house, mainly heat the house. I use hardly any fuel oil anymore, but I used to clean my chimney probably at least twice during the winter, besides cleaning it in the fall. Since I have started using these things, and I don't work for this company, but if it saves somebody some work, I'm all for it. I decided to do a test last year. I cleaned the chimney in the fall, and I never cleaned it again until this fall. It is almost October. I'm getting ready to burn it. I cleaned it this morning after not cleaning it all last winter and burning about 10 or 12 face cords of wood through it last year. I would look up the chimney once in a while just to make sure everything was nothing was plugged, there wasn't any problems, but never cleaned it once during the winter, and this is all that came out of it. That right there, I used to get more than that each time I cleaned it during the winter. That right there will save you a whole lot of work.